In primetime news this evening, telecoms giants hit back at lawmakers over criticisms of poor service. Corporate era developers under the microscope for building breaches. And Bustamante Hospital staff blame workplace challenges for bad customer service.
Good evening, welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, this evening it's all about the dollar. Yes, again. Why, for a third consecutive day, the Bank of Jamaica had to intervene to calm the currency market. More on that in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen, who has the latest in sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, the West Indies are on their ever-turning corner. They have notched up another win, and I will tell you all about it later.
That's definitely top news. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts about the request for the styrofoam ban to be delayed?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.